Hello everyone, guess what today's video is about? Exactly, it's another batting tutorial, and today is how to practice facing spin at home. So most people would agree that spin is better and easier to face than fast. Be- um, I agree too, because it comes slower and you have more time to think what shot you can play. So I'll tell you that spin it's not as easy as it looks, and some balls can trick batsmen and even cost them the wicket. So here few ways to face spin. Number one, look at the ball carefully as it's going to turn most probably. So you have to look and see which area it turns. There are two types of spin. Off spin, which if for example for a right hander it'll bounce here and turn towards the leg, and leg spin that, let's say for a right hander, bounces here and turns over there to the offside. So my my favorite is off spin because it's easier for me to face. And in off spin or leg spin there are few variants like carom ball, dusra, googly, but my favorite is top spin. Top spin could make batsmen out as well, but it is, you can easily hit top spin as well. So top spin is a ball that has a lot of flight on it. It stays in the air for long and then bounces. It's easy because you could, few ways to hit it are like you can go to the pitch of the ball and hit, and that's a common shot to play against spin, just like this, and mid leg, six, and and also you can even wait for the bounce and then just touch it. Second tip of facing spin is that you need to not get too aggressive or too excited if you get an easy ball. This happened to me early when I was playing cricket, early in my career as a player, that that I got too excited on some balls and I went to hit it and then it got caught. So you need to be careful. Some balls you don't need to hit it all the way for six. You need to connect. That's the best way to hit any spin ball, is to just connect it and place it in the gap. Now I'm going to tell, these were two tips to face spin. Now I'm going to tell you common shots to play against spin. So common shots against spin are: number one, advancing down the track to the pitch of the ball and hitting it for a six. Number two, sweep shot, where you get down on one knee on slot balls and sweep it for four through mid wicket. Number three, cover drive, where you wait for the ball and drive it through extra cover or cover. You can even play the cut shot. Sorry. You can play cut shots, and even another shot you can play is slow shots or shots straight down the ground. Okay, so those were some tips of facing spin at home, how you can practice facing spin at home. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel Shaurya Studio, like and share with your friends, and please don't forget to press the notification button, because if you don't, you won't know when I upload a video. Okay, bye and see you later. Oh, by the way, my friend Advik, who you have seen in other videos, has started his own channel. So please support him. His channel is Advik Menon. Please subscribe to his channel as well. Bye. Peace.